go back! I want to be monkey!
Ancestors, the Humankind Odyssey. I tried to play this game before, but the recording was kind of dog shit, so I'm gonna try and do it again. Last time it was Monkey, now we're gonna do... hold on, let me just... Random name generator. Let me just... God damn it. EluNet. Okay, we're gonna be EluNet. Fucking... Ned. That is the name of our lineage. Ned. Yeah, I'm gonna consider this a first time. We're gonna do a immersive, I guess, cause last time I did it with no tutorial, and it's really fucking sucked. Yep, seems about right. Alright, this is the birth of Ned. Based on a true story. Oh no. Latest scientific discoveries. Yeah, I forgot how long this fucking opening credit sequence was. Well, shit. Shut up. Shut up. Ooh, advance the species. Those all sound like things we do. Wait, so can I evolve like fucking sacks? And my god, why is this shit so loud? Hold on, let me just, audio. Yeah, we're turning that shit down a little bit. Alright, there we go. Okay. Africa? 10 million years ago? Damn. That's Africa. As far as I can tell, there's no way to skip this cutscene, even though it goes on for like 6 minutes. YouTube's gonna hate me for this one. Oh, that fish fucking died. Oh, wow. Ancestors, the Humankind Odyssey. Woo. Okay, can you finally start working now? This is helping me relive my fantasy of going back to monkey. Volume 1. Look at this. Monkey. Monkey. Oh no, it's a big bird. And he's going for that monkey. Oh my god, he's dead! Anyway, now into the gameplay. If it would fucking load. There we go. Okay, so we got to find a hiding spot or get back to the clan settlement. Okay. Let me move on. Okay, intelligence. Focus. We've identified the hiding spot and another hiding spot. And the clan place. But I'm going to go to this hiding spot. When I played this last time, I didn't fucking die. So I'm assuming I'm at no actual risk of death here. So we're just gonna hide. Where is it real quick? No, it's still up there. Monkey jump. Monkey hide. And now I have to find the lost child of the clan. As bigger monkey. Wait. It's hold spacebar? Oh! I didn't know you could sprint last time you played it. Oh. Big monkey development. We are going big monkey. Growing neutron. Oh. Monkey neuron activated. Oh god. Ooh. Awooga. Awoo. Awooga. Child. Monkey child. Okay, we got to go back to the clan settlement. We are monkey clan. It's already known. Damn. just like that, we are here, back at Monkey Palace. Back with Big Monkey Palace. Back at it again with the Monkey Gang. When do I get to make guns? I want to develop gunpowder as early as possible so I can launch firework rockets as people as like a fucking monkey. Build a sleep spot. Okay. Avatar. What is that? What are you? Energy. Rock. I can't remember. How do I make a sleep spot? Okay, let's drop this rock and see if we can identify it. Let me identify the rock. Why can't I identify it? Q to inspect the right item. Hold Q. Oh, it's holding Q. Okay. Hold on. Yes. Rock. Rock. New tool discovered. Granite rock. What can I do with it? Can I swing? Can I swing with it? Not swing it. Can I swing it? Can I want to bash skulls in. Anyway, done with rock. Grabbing fern. Inspecting fern. Big fern lords. Oh, why is it cold? Oh no. Why am I cold? Oh, I gotta... Okay. That's interesting. Oh. Dumb shit. I am trying to help. I'm gonna hit you with a goddamn rock. How do I build a sleep spot, though? Is this a sleep spot? Oh, sleep spot discovery. Oh, I see now. Okay, so I build sleep spot somehow. What if we just grab and inspect? We inspect another rock. This is different rock. Oh my god. It's obsidian. Boys. Boys. Fellas. Guys. Fellas. Let's go to the nether. Okay. Neuronal energy? Okay, how do I build? Intelligence. Monkey. Okay, we lie down on the sleep spot. Drop child. Okay, how do I build sleep spots then? Big monkey shit. Damn, there's so much shit here for me to discover. I can't seem to discover how to build a fucking sleep spot, though. Build a sleep spot. How the fuck does monkey do that? Oh, I think I see. Do I just need to get grass, and then drop grass, and then get more grass? What are you now? Same shit I always know. Okay. So do we grab you again? And do we go over here? I see. Oh! Big monkey brain. Big brain monkey. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I am big brain, big monkey, and you must follow my commands. Oh, it was hold E, not press E. Start construction. Build. Build. And we built a sleep spot. Form a couple. Yo. I have to use my inescapable riz. Wait, hold on. Is that a male or a female? That is female. Oh, never mind. That is a male. Fell for it again. Is that a female? Only one way to find out. You. Are you female? That is a male. Where are the women? Who needs women? Do I even have a mate? Hold on. Hello? I called mate and they showed up. Wait, am I female? I realize now that I may be female. Hold on. Yes, I think this may be my mate. I don't know though. What does evolution do? Oh, oh my god. Oh, oh, it's beautiful. Monkey brain. Evolution. Ned's lineage. Oh no, we already have a death. Oh, what a shame. And we mate. Please don't show monkey. Okay, it doesn't show monkey sex. Okay. Can we do it again? Form a couple. Oh. Oh, we have to form a couple. Oh, that's kinda, Hold on, let me interact with you. Hello, monkey man. Room. You fucking monkey. You try. Not that. The monkey man. Him. You stupid. You know what? You know what? What's stopping me from throwing this goddamn interesting rock at you? Nothing. That's right. Fear me. Fear monkey. Alright, I'm gonna go collect a stick and try to make a fucking obsidian sword. I guess. Oh god, those seem thorny. Do I end this shit here? How long have I been going for? 24 minutes. You know what? I think that's a good spot to end off. This has maybe been the first episode of Ancestors, the Humankind Odyssey. If you want to see more of this goddamn monkey game, let me know, because it's been pretty fun. Like, or maybe, I don't know, subscribe. You could do that. Return the monkey.